Who's gonna edit this? Because this is taking way too long.
I don't know.
Okay, guys, it's Rachel
And Sarah.
and today we're gonna do a what's on my iPhone video. Anyways, so this Christmas we just got a new iPhone 6S and we wanted to get a case and a pop socket for it. So here are the packages. We just received them today and we're so excited. Let's just open them. Let's just open them.
You're making it sound like it's a tutorial.
Oh, you're supposed to
like grab a pair of scissors.
Don't cut off your sister's hair. And then snip it open. Oh, God. Anyways,
I'm gonna cut mine. So
I don't have a pair of scissors, so I'm not.
I should have gotten my garbage collector.
So for Sarah. What happened?
They're so pretty.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
It looks so. I got mine from Case to Find. Who knows where she got hers?
I got mine at Wildflower.
But their packaging is super nice. Oh,
Theirs
I
looks
got
pretty
the
cool.
plexiglass. I got the like tempered glass screen protector because I dropped my phone way too much.
Way too much, girl. Anyway, so I got this checkered one. It looks pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty cool. I'm so excited. Anyway, what's yours?
Mine is
That's so cute, actually. Whoa!
loud and it has sparkly things.
It's really cute, actually. I love it.
You do.
Yeah. I'm gonna show them a close-up of mine. So here's my case. It's like a really cool checkered pattern. It's what people have been wearing for some reason. I'd never wear it, but
Honestly, it's cute. I wouldn't pick it for my phone because it's a little. It's just personally, I think it's a little simple.
yeah.
But
I'm simple. I'm basic.
Why is there a heart?
So we both have 6S, and mine is silver.
It's dirty. I need to go clean it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay. Anyways. Now.
I love it. It's very protective. I think it has one of those raised up bar things.
Yeah. Apparently, from the website, like it has like,
also it's very protective.
like the little. Anyways, we now have our pop socket package, which I'm gonna just cut open real quick.
You don't cut into it.
They're small.
You're
I don't know why it came in such a big package, but
You just snipped off part of the paper. Oh my gosh, Rachel. You snipped off part of the paper.
anyways, the diamond pop sockets. I have the red one to go with my basic checkers.
I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but okay. And
See, that's why I got a basic pattern. So like the pop socket's gonna be like BAM! Okay.
Honestly, the pop socket is pop socket, like the brands. Press to release, okie dokie. Press. How'd you get it off?
If you kept it in the packaging, it would have been easier.
Packaging.
Help!
Stop yelling.
Few inches later.
To keep it in the packaging so you had some leverage to like pop it out. You were supposed to pop it out like this.
Come on, buddy.
Whoa! I predicted the future. Okay. Anyways.
I just stuck it back on.
Anyways, now we finally got out of the packaging.
I'll stick it by its crotch.
I'm gonna stick mine in the middle.
Or I can stick it on the top.
I don't know. I'm gonna
Oh,
stick mine on.
I was like afraid that it like was it had the sticky stuff on it. Dog hair.
We have a white dog.
These are good.
These are good as heck. Anyway, here's a close-up of mine. It's just the checkers and a diamond pop socket on it. So basically
Watch this for hours.
Stop. I'm talking. Basically, the difference between the normal pop socket and the diamond one is that they have kind of like, it's raised up, so like it has a diamond look. That's why it's called the diamond pop socket. Anyways, those ones were $15. So my case was about $37 and my pop socket was $15. I need to look at my calculator. I'm really dumb.
A few moments later.
52. So, sorry, you need to pay attention. Were you doing that the whole time I was talking?
I don't know. And mine is the unicorn one. And it also has all the sparkles and the beads inside of it with the diamond rose gold pop socket.
I'm in love. They're so different, but like I like both of them.
Yeah.
They're
a lot.
pretty cool.
I really like it.
So the first thing that I have on my phone is my lock screen, which is a picture of my best friend Emma. She has a picture of me on her lock screen. I'm pretty famous. Anyways, and my first folder is just a bunch of random stuff. And then I have a folder for navigation, like Google Maps and just normal maps. And that's audiobooks, that's boring. And I have a ukulele app. It's pretty cool, except I don't have a ukulele. But I'm getting one. You'll see it in the future. And then I just have a bunch of other random apps that, like, you know, they're important, but I don't use them much.
They're important, but not.
Yeah.
It's not like one of those like everyday uses, you know?
And then I have just a bunch of shopping apps because I do a lot of online shopping even though I don't buy anything. You know, life of a teenager. Because they have no money. Anyways, then I have a few of my favorite games here. And then this is all my YouTube stuff. Basically like voice memos. It's like where you do voiceovers and stuff. Then iMovie and record and YouTube, duh. And then we are both Christians, so we have a few church apps.
I just have a Bible app.
Yeah.
Because I forget to bring my Bible to church.
And then I have Aviary, which I use to edit my photos for Instagram. And then I just have WhatsApp, Messenger, Chains. Actually, Chains is a pretty good app because it reminds you to do stuff that you would probably forget to do. So like it reminds you at a certain time of day. And then you have these really cool like tracking charts. Here's my Instagram, Rachel Liza. Follow me, like me, watch my YouTube video on my channel. I have a separate channel. This is our channel together. And then add me on Snapchat because then you'll get to see what actually happens in my life. I just post photos on Instagram so they look nice. At LuluSkater2002. Use my Snap code. Self-promo. And then I also have a Twitter. Do you have a Twitter?
Nope.
Oh. Anyway, my Twitter is _RachelLiza_. Basically, same thing. And then I have Pinterest, Facebook, Visco. Do you have Visco? It's pretty cool. I really like it. It's just like where you can post really pretty pictures. Here are my songs for now on my January playlist. And that's it.
So my front cover obviously is a machine. It says I'm busy because I like to eat food a lot. So yes, I am busy.
Your
My
excuse. I'm busy, sorry.
My back screen is flowers because I couldn't think of anything else to put on my back screen. So. And then I saw one girl put all like her apps in like color coordination and I thought, oh my god, that is amazing. I'm gonna copy that idea. So I went and copied it. So then that is all like Netflix, YouTube, Pinterest. Pinterest should be in my social media, but let's not talk about that. And this is apps I don't use. I labeled apps I don't use because I never use them, but they're helpful. And that's also color coordinated too. So it's like red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple, black. And then the Find My iPhone, FaceTime I hardly ever use. And my like pictures or like videos and stuff.
Like editing for Instagram and stuff.
Yeah, I use Avery. I love that app.
Yes, it's pretty cool. I love it.
And this is my social media, Instagram, Snapchat. We can look at my Instagram, thank you.
Instagram plug-in.
And that is my Instagram. And
Go follow it, like it.
love it. And my Snapchat, let me see. So I'm just take a screenshot of that and like
Snapchat us.
go follow me.
And me.
That was all I have on my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and comment down below if you want to see us do a video about a January playlist.
Yep, our January playlist. And make sure you guys subscribe down there and click the bell to know when we post. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Love ya! Bye!